50 persons have been killed in northern Tanzania following flash floods, and as we speak, the situation is not good. I'll play the video to see how bad the situation is. About 81 people are seriously injured, and more than 100 homes have been washed away, and more rains are expected in the days ahead in the northern part of the country. I want you to watch this video, and this is a very difficult time for the people of Tanzania, and also a difficult time for those in East Africa, because the rains have changed their calendar. I want you to watch this video.
Take a look at what's happening across our borders. Severe flooding and landslides have killed at least 47 people and wounded 80 others in northern Tanzania, according to local officials. It happened near the slopes of Mount Hanang, where President Samia Hassan has now deployed national security forces to help rescue efforts. Homes and infrastructure were also damaged by the adverse weather. Tanzania's meteorology agency has warned that the rains will continue this month.
Lakini nataka niseme kwamba nimeelekeza nguvu zote za serikali zielekezwe huko kwenye uokozi na kuzuia maafa zaidi kutokea. Vyombo vyetu vya ulinzi na usalama tayari nimevielekeza vifike huko, Wizara ya Afya kuja kushughulikia majeruhi, lakini pia Wizara ya Madini kuona nini kinatokea katika sehemu ambayo milima imeonyesha kutetemeka au imeonyesha kuporomoka.